powers of attorney come in two different forms, and I've already spoken about the lasting power of attorney for property and financial affairs. So now I want to talk to you about the lasting power of attorney for health and welfare. This has similarities with the other form of power of attorney, but is slightly different because it deals with different decisions that can be made on your behalf. So like a lasting power of attorney for property and financial affairs, it's a document that you enter into now whilst you have capacity and you're able to make decisions. You choose the people that you trust that you would want to make decisions for you in the future if you lose capacity. This document, however, the Health and Welfare Lasting Power of Attorney, deals, as the name suggests, only with decisions to do with your health and your care. It only takes effect if you've lost capacity. So for as long as you can make your own decisions, nobody can take that right away from you. But if you have a lasting power of attorney, then if you lose capacity, the people that you've appointed will be able to make those decisions on your behalf. That might include where you're cared for, maybe what sort of care home you go to, or whether you're going to be cared for at home. It can include small decisions about what sort of food you eat and what sort of day-to-day care you receive, and it allows your attorneys to go all the way up to the really big decisions. Now within the form you get an option of whether or not you want to give your attorneys the right to refuse life-sustaining treatment on your behalf. Now this is a big decision. People often think about the situation where you're on life support and do you want to give your children the right to say that the switch should be turned off? And that is part of it. But it also runs slightly earlier as well. If, for example, you've lost capacity and you're no longer able to make your own decisions, and then you get a disease, something like pneumonia, which, if it's not treated, might kill you. But if it is treated, you may recover from that without too serious medical intervention. If your attorneys have the right to refuse life-sustaining treatment on your behalf, then they will be able to say no to that course of antibiotics if they think that's what you would want. This means that if you feel that once you've lost capacity, you would really like to let nature take its course as soon as it can, then your attorneys would be able to manage that process for you.